We've made it. Day 31 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. We are at the finish line, but it won't be finished until this video is uploaded. So once that video is uploaded, we have completed the challenge. This video right here, scheduled out, whatever it is. Once this video is uploaded, we have completed the challenge. Today we have Jack Skellington and a nice display size Jack Skellington attempt. We made it as big as we could on this printer. We also wanted to let you know and remind you guys we can do this on literally a much larger scale. Our printers are incredibly insane. With being on the reminder notes, the November content is going to be very different from this month. This month was a challenge. This upcoming month is going to not be a daily anything. We're going to try to get as much content out to you guys as we possibly can. We also just got a TikTok account, and make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. Now let's get into today's print. And here we have it, Jack Skellington on a gold shiny filament. That is it for today's print. That is also the completion of today's challenge, which means I can now receive the golden theme trophy. It has been wonderful. It has been so nice, and we finally have hit this point to where I can now display this wonderful Halloween themed trophy. Good office display for a while. It's been a lot of hard work, a lot of time. But other than that, if you guys did enjoy this last day of the other 31-day challenge or haven't checked out any of the previous episodes, highly recommend checking it out from day 1 all the way to 31. It's much appreciated. We'll see you here in November for some more cosine additive content, and be sure to check out the website for any extruders, software, large scale 3D prints, or if you're interested in a industrial grade 3D printer, that is all linked in the description box below. And check out our other socials. Maybe some exclusive content on TikTok. We're going to be showcasing behind the scenes photos on our Instagram of what we're currently working on, all for the month of November. So be on the lookout for all that stuff. And it has been wonderful hosting this month's series, and let's get on to November content. One final thing, be sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed this series.